Let's have a look at questions 16 and 17. Which of the following statements is true? Position A represents the mean energy. Now, position A represents the energy that most molecules have coming down from the peak of the curve. The mean energy is slightly to the right of the peak. Addition of a catalyst moves the activation energy to the right. Now, it lowers the activation energy, so it moves it to the left. The area underneath the curve to the right of the activation energy represents the number of molecules with enough energy to react. Yes, underneath the curve represents the number of molecules, and those to the right of the activation energy have got the sufficient energy to react, so C is correct. The position of the peak, let's just check D. The position of the peak of the curve at the higher temperature is further away from both axes. The position of the peak at a higher temperature now actually lowers itself, so it would come down something like that to keep the area underneath the curve the same in both cases. It would lower and then shift towards the right. So D is incorrect. 17. Tridecane C14H30 is found in crude oil, decomposes to form one molecule of hexane and 3 more molecules. Which is correct? Well, let's have a look. Let's try and eliminate some. So B forms hexane, that's right, C6H14, but it forms 2 other molecules, so B is incorrect because it's only forming 2 other molecules, and it says it needs to form 3 other molecules. C, what's wrong with this? Well, it's actually not forming hexane, it's forming C5H12, which looks as if it's propane, so it's not forming hexane at all, so C is incorrect. D doesn't look as if it balances. If I check the number of hydrogens, I've got 30 hydrogens here, I've got 14, add 6 is 20, and 2 16s is 12, that's got 32 hydrogens. It actually doesn't balance, so A is the only one that's correct. Let's just check. C14H30, C6 and 4 is 10, and 2 2s are 4. It makes 14 carbons on the right, 30 hydrogens on the left, 14 add 6 is, add 10 is 24, add 8, let's check that out, hold on, 14, add 8 is 22, add 8 is 30, yes, it's got 30 hydrogens on each side. Does it form hexane? Yes, C6H14 is hexane, 3 other molecules, 1 there, and 2 lots of ethene. Yes, it's definitely A.